Hey guys, we're back.
We're back.
All right, so for number 5, Tamara and Jeff want to find out who can dive deeper. After 10 seconds, Tamara is 20 feet deep and Jeff is 22 feet deep. Which of the following statements is not true?
Ooh, that's a tricky one. It says not. We got to remember that.
Yes, that's important. That not true. Also, it says statements. I wonder if that means it could be 2 or 3, so we might just have to look a little harder. Okay, so I really like to draw pictures with these because I just can't quite, it's too many words, too many numbers. So we got this nice little water over here and our line. So it says that Tamara is 20 feet deep. So I'm going to draw her right here. Here is 20 feet deep. Here she is swimming.
So let's talk about this one, Miss McCall.
Okay.
So at the ocean level, where the ocean is, like where it starts, that's really going to represent 0, right? So if she's diving and she's going 20 feet deep, shouldn't that be a negative 20? Because
So you're
she's going down.
So this is like the 0?
That's 0, and then
Gotcha.
going down would be the negative 20 because she's going down. It's at a depth of 20.
Yeah, I think that makes perfect sense. Okay, awesome. So then they also said that Jeff is 22 feet deep. So, if this is our 0, is 22 going to be like above, like up here, or down here?
So I think it's going to be a little bit farther because the way I think about it is 20 feet deep, and then he's going even farther because he's going 22 feet down. So maybe I just
like-
gave it away.
like here. So
Ooh,
like,
yeah.
and it's still negative because
Yes.
it's below that
Yep.
surface.
Yep.
Okay, so here he is. Look at them swimming.
Look at him.
All right. So remember, we're looking for things that are not true. Okay, so A, Tamara's depth can be expressed as negative 20 feet as compared to sea level. So,
But it's got that word depth, and we talked about that in class.
right.
So depth, I think we usually use the absolute value.
I agree. My only thing is it says that we're comparing it to sea level right here. So does that, I feel like that's kind of like how we drew it, right? Like if sea level is a 0, when you compare it to that, it's down further. So it's negative, right?
It is negative. I agree with you.
So I think A is true. But we're looking for things that are not true.
Right. I agree with you. So depth does mean that it's going to be the negative, but it's talking about the negative 20 comparing to that sea level.
Okay, so since that's true and we're looking for not true, I'm going to just cross off A. Done with that one. Okay, Jeff's depth can be expressed as 22 feet below sea level.
I see that below sea level. And 22 feet doesn't have the negative, so it's representing the 22 feet below. I think that's true. Don't you think, Miss McCall?
I think so too, because normally when I see the word below, that like takes care of the negative sign
Right.
for me. So like in the last one, it didn't say below sea level, it said compared to it, but this one's already telling me it's below. So that's why
Right.
it doesn't have to be negative.
Right, so that is true. So
Yep.
not our answer.
Okay, so B is not it. All right, C. Tamara is farther beneath the surface than Jeff. Well, I forgot to label my people. That wasn't good. So Tamara is our blue person and Jeff is our red person. Okay, so let's see. Tamara is farther below Jeff. She looks like she's up above him here.
She does, for sure.
All right.
So-
okay. So C is not true,
That's what we were looking for.
but that's what we're looking for. Awesome.
But we
Okay.
probably need to check the next one because remember it says statement, so there's a chance it could be also true.
Yes.
You got to check it.
Okay, so C is one of our answers, but let's check D as well. So Jeff has farther to swim to return to the surface than Tamara. Does he have to swim further to get
So he
up
has
the
to go
level?
22 feet, and she only has to go 20 feet. So he does have to go farther.
Yeah, I think you're right. So that is another true statement, but we're looking for not true. So we can cross that one off as well. So it looks like our answer is just C for this one.
I agree with you. That's awesome. So go ahead and you're going to move to the next question. It's going to be similar to this one. So make sure you think through this and then draw the picture to help you.